Now look at associative of addition and multiplication. Under addition, a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. This is the property. Now let us take one example and try to learn about this property. Here I am taking one example, 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so what we have to do, simply I am taking here 2 and 3 and what, 4. 1 2 3, and here I am taking 4 buttons. Okay, now 2. Okay, write 2 in box and 3 is also in the box. Okay, I am writing 3 is also in the box and 2 is in the box. Now what left? 4. I am 4 putting here, 1 2 3 and 4. Now count how many total blue beads are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That means answer of this question is 9. Okay, but what in case of when we change the order? Now I am changing the order. 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, in box we have to give 3 and 4. So I am taking again here. What is your question? 2. 2 blue, 3 blue buttons and yeah, 4 blue buttons. Now put 2 different, okay, and 3 is in the box. I am putting here, and again 4. 1 2 3 and 4. Now when I change the order, the blue buttons, count blue buttons. How many blue buttons are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 buttons, right? Means answer of this question and this question is same. Without when we change the order, the answer will be same. So associative property under addition is also true. Now let us check next property. Now look at associative of multiplication. So what in case of multiplication? I am taking one example. 1 multiply 2 multiply 3. Okay, so 1 multiply 2. First example is I am putting here one column like this and 2 rows. So 1 and 2. One column and 2 rows. So what your answer? 1 and 2. Means your answer is 2 into 1 is 2, right? And now 3. 2 into 3. So here I am taking 2 rows and 3 columns like this. Okay, there are 3 columns, 1 2 3 columns and 2 rows. Now count 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. That means answer is 6. Is this question 6? Now what in case when we change the order? Okay, I am changing the order now. 1 into 2 into 3. Now first we will solve 2 into 3 and then 1. I am writing here, I am taking here first 2 columns. Okay, so removing this. 1 2 1 column 2 column, and how many rows? 3 rows we have to take. So here I am taking 3 rows. 1 2 3. Now what is our answer? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, now 6 multiply by 1. What you will get? 6 multiply 1. Simple. I am taking 1. Now 6 multiply 1, I am taking 1 rows and 6 column. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, I am taking here 6 columns. So count 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means your answer of this question is also 6. Try to solve in subtraction and division also. What you will get? Under division and subtraction, associative property is not correct.